No, let me spill the tea on that. And I'm scared. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kat and welcome to Kat's World. We are at our grandma's place for a few hours because it was Mother's Day and we just wanted to visit her. That's us. That's literally us. I found this Hello Kitty cup, but it's 20 euros. I'm so sad. I really wanted to buy it because it's so cute. Look at them. It's so cute. Like, can you tell I'm obsessed with Hello Kitty? Like, can you tell?
Yes, we can all tell. I'm gonna read the first sentence of both books. A little note, happiness. I think we often assume it's just around the corner, in the hands of others, or only for a chosen category of people. Done. I know you hate surprises, Stella. In the interest of communicating our expectations and providing you a reasonable timeline, you should know that we are ready for grandchildren. What?
Holy shit guys, it's been like multiple days since the last clip, but I've been busy, so I hope y'all forgive me. I didn't vlog that much at all the past few days because I didn't have any time and I just didn't bring my vlog camera along with me. Also, some of you may know that I've been working on an art project for a little while. I don't know if I want to show you, but maybe I'll do like a little sneak peek. Oh my god. I don't know if y'all saw that, But yeah. Hookah. Basically, I think it's really cool and it's really meaningful for me. Really simple. It's not like too crazy or something. I think it's beautiful and the meaning behind it. But yeah, no, I'll explain it a little bit later. But yeah, do y'all want another sneak peek? Yeah. I have to get it done by Thursday and it's Tuesday right now. Oh, there's a bug on it. Oh my god, what the fuck? Disgusting. I also want to apologize for not posting consistently. I am so sorry. Okay, so my graduation is coming up, right? And I don't have my dress yet, but I bought shoes, like heels, and I don't know how to walk with them. I look so funny when I walk with them. Like, literally, look at me. So, these are the shoes. Beautiful, right? Just like simple shoes to go with any dress. I have these little, like, really thin socks on right now. But like, look at me now. What the fuck? I am not used to them at all. Like, I'm scared I'm gonna fall. Because I already know I'm gonna fall. But yeah. My shoes. I finished my art project. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like because it's so beautiful. Are you ready? Because just two hearts there, you know, attached to a canvas. I should explain the backstory of it and what it means and stuff. First of all, the very basic thing is that it's mostly blue because me and him are Pisces and Pisces is a sign of a water element, and you know, I just thought that blue would be, you know, a perfect color for this, so I chose blue. And also this is that's like kind of a coincidence because I had a lot of denim laying around and I just thought like it would be a good time to use the leftover denim that I had, so you know, it's here now as hearts. And also another really special thing is that I put something in these hearts, something really personal. I'm gonna just say it's a bracelet and a letter. Wait, no, let me spill the tea on that. Also, don't look at my hair. When me and this person were in a relationship, I made bracelets for both of us. I wore it every day and I bet he did too. I don't know. But when we broke up, you know, I'm not gonna wear it. I just put it away somewhere hidden and I just didn't take it out. But when I started making this little art piece, I thought, what if I just, you know, like put something in this artwork? You know, it just makes the artwork more meaningful if you have something meaningful in it, you know. I don't know how to explain that, but like, yeah, basically this is my heart and the bracelet is in here, and this is his heart, and I put a letter here, a letter that I was supposed to give him on the 1st of September. We never got to, you know, see each other after like, or hang out in August, like just right before the school year started or something, and we never got to see each other, and that's why I also never got to give him the letter and a poem that I wrote for him. I don't know why I'm spilling all of this tea right now. Like, this is my own personal life, but I feel like, you know, like, let's spice these things up a little. I also think he doesn't watch my videos. Like, why would he? I hope he doesn't. If you see this, here's your heart. That's your heart here. and I put a spell on it, you know, I put a spell on it, so you better be careful. It was just a letter of me saying like, this is our last year at school, like we'll get through this and we'll be okay, and if you ever need somebody, I'll be right there, you know. And I love you, and I love you. I originally wanted to put his bracelet in here so that my bracelet will be here and his will be here. He was my first love, and you know, like the threads here are kind of like attached to the hearts, and the threads are like all over the place and stuff, and I just thought like this is such a good like a perspective of your own first love, and like it kind of feels like you're still attached to them. I just want people to look at it and think of their own first loves and just think how they felt after they broke up. Like I just feel like a lot of people are still like attached to their first loves in some way, like not completely like attached, like oh my god, if you come back I'll take you back and stuff. Like no, not in that kind of way, but like we all have a soft spot for them in our hearts, thus the hearts here. Yeah, I think it's beautiful, like it's really meaningful to me, and the fact that I have to leave it at our school for a month or so because it'll be on display, and like it's my baby, it's literally like my baby. I gave birth to it, I cannot leave her there. No. Also, did I tell you that this project was for our art class? Actually, like it was not something that I just decided to do, but it was just we had to make some art for our art class. Even before this idea, I had a lot of different ideas. I wanted to do something with the last text message he sent me, but I just like that idea wasn't the best, and then I just, you know, I thought of this and I was like, that's like simple and it's not really messy or something. Also, I'm going to Amsterdam with my class in like 2 weeks or something, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this trip, and I'm going to vlog it, of course. I'm so excited. Oh my god, my hair looks so bad. My hair looks so bad. Okay, bye. I am going to bring my work to school now because they're gonna put it up on the walls and I'm gonna have my work up on a wall. That's so exciting. Hi guys, it's been like a few hours since I finished watching XO Kitty, the very last episode, and damn, I fucking cried so much. Hence the puffy eyes. If they're still puffy, they are. But yeah, I don't know where this vlog is going actually. I am just here. This is me being real, okay? We are being real here. I have some plans for tomorrow. Good, because I need to get out of the house. I went to school today to give my teacher the artwork, which I talked about earlier, and I didn't know how she wanted them to, you know, like put up on a wall or something, and then she just said that I just have to go get a hanger thingy so I can put it like, and I didn't have those hanger thingies, so I need to go get them as soon as possible, and that's what I'm going to do tomorrow. I'm going to wake up early. I'm going to go to this one store. We're gonna buy those hanger thingies, and then we're gonna go to school again, and we're gonna attach those hanger thingies, and then I'll get my grade, and I know it's going to be an A+ because I'm the best, and my work was so good, it literally amazed her. But yeah, also I still haven't gotten my graduation dress, which is a problem because I need to, you know, buy it as soon as possible. I will probably see you tomorrow if I don't do anything productive today. But yeah, I'm just so excited to start a whole new different chapter in my life, and I'm scared. I don't know why, but this print and baby pink go so well together. I don't know why or how, but like just does for some reason. Or maybe I'm just crazy and I'm just imagining this, but it does look good, right? I hope I'm not the only one. See you tomorrow. Bye. Okay, so I already drank some tea and I ate an ice cream to calm myself down from this crying. But I feel like I need to make another tea, so let's make some tea. I don't know why, but I'm suddenly so happy. How is that even possible? Like, I was just sad like half an hour ago, and now I'm suddenly all happy and giddy. I am running late. So this is today's outfit. Very basic because I'm just going to school again and I'm gonna get those hook thingies or whatever. I am running late. Bye. We are at the store right now and we cannot find the hooks that we need. So we might have to ask somebody to find them for us. So we actually we came to the wrong building. This is so embarrassing for us.
It's not. It's just meh. Who cares, man?
Okay, yeah, who cares? But we are on our way to the actual building. So yeah. Oh, så byxigt. And they didn't have them at the other store. How do you feel?
Oh, prende deutsimo. Lehtede. Kus ei don. Päässyt tinkit paikalla.
Yeah.
Ai okei. Minun diskaipa. Искать эту хуйту. Теперь каких-то сайтах топью. Приключения на жопу.
Okay, so we are at the park right now and we got some food and we're just going to enjoy this beautiful day and the sunshine.
Oui, viens.
Shut your mouth. We checked like 3 other stores for these hook thingies and we didn't find them, and now we have to just order them online or something. It's coming to attack us. I don't know if you can I don't know if you can see it.